Zengge is focused on smart lighting products, and I could see Zengge have a lot of colorful and RGB lighting. So, hi Zengge.
Hi, hello, good afternoon, guys.
Hello, may I have your name, please?
We are the manufacturer of the smart LED lighting products. We have absorbed the outstanding talents in the industry since establishment and gradually forms a complete enterprise operating systems. Nearly 40% of our company staff are from the development team, and that they provide us the technical support services, and our products has been export to the Euro and US market. We can provide the ODM and OEM service, and both hardware or software can be customized. Now I will show you, there are some of our products. We have our smart LED, the downlight, the
LED downlight,
spotlight, the smart LED bulbs here. We have also, here are the LED controllers that controls your normal LED strip lights by using our app called Magic Home for Wi-Fi items and Zengge for the Bluetooth items. And this is our new product. This is the Selfie ring light. In the market there are only CCT colors, and I mean the warm white and cold white colors for the current products. But we can provide the RGB product, the RGB colors in our ring lights. So I will show you how does it work, and also show you our app. And yeah.
So Zengge, may I have your name, please? I'm wondering if you could speak a little bit louder. That will be good for us, because it's a little bit too low, the voice to us, and a little bit difficult for us to hear what you're saying.
Oh, sorry. I think. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I think you need the microphone, right?
I'm wondering that maybe you could turn another phone off so that it will not have two voice to repeat.
Okay.
I could hear my own voice. Thank you.
Can be closer, because I cannot hear your voice from that phone, and make it closer is better.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Okay. Does it? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's much better.
Okay. So I'm going to show you this ring, Selfie ring light products with our app. It's our product. You can control the light by using the mobile phone app or by the smart speakers such as Alexa, Google Assistant, and such as some 天猫精灵 or 小爱角度 in the domestic market. And so you can also use the controller. We have the remote control here, and then there are 3 ways to control your lights. And now I will show you our apps.
So the ring light could be controlled by the controller, the phone apps, and also some of the smart product like the smart microphone, smart loudspeaker to control the.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's very cool.
Yeah. This is our apps. We can do the customized apps here. There are different brands. You see the different brands here. That's our customized brands. And we have the one called this one, Zengge.
The camera is a little bit fresh with the light, so it's hard for us to see.
Okay. Is it better now?
Yeah, better.
Okay. Okay, I put the lights here, and then You see, when you open the app, you will find the devices here, and you just choose the devices. Then you will see it here, and we can change the brightness and the cold white and warm white in the first page. And yeah, we have the warm white, cold white, and warm white, and there are many more. And we have the preset mode here. Yeah,
that's for
you just choose the color you like, and if you have some favorite colors, you just click this heart, and you will find it here. Oh, sorry. Need to. Okay. Yeah. You will add the favorite here. You can add it here, and yeah, here is the music function. So the sorry. This is the microphone mode. The color will change based on the voice it captures from outside. So if
if there's some music, some sounds, the lights will change according to the music. That's very cool.
Yeah, and also you can choose the music from your phone. You see the color is changing based on the music.
Yeah, the color changing, and also the pattern is changing.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we change to the next function. This is the smear function. We can have your colors, the ring here. You see the color ring here, and then you change the color, then you smear it. Yeah, it will change. Yeah, to different colors, and there are more items, more functions. Here we can choose the brightness and and the speed. Yeah. Yeah, you can also DIY your color. That just set the favorite color you like and save it. Next time you just click it on, and then it will turn to the color you like.
So the halo ring on the S represent our fixture, our light ring fixture. So we can choose the color and then change the color per what you like on the apps.
Yeah. And also there are some customized functions. That means if you don't like those functions, I mean here you don't like those functions. Here you don't find the colors you like here. You can customize your own color. Then you just get a new one. Then here you can change the brightness, speed, colors, and other color changing modes here, and then save it. And you have a new one here now. Then next time you just click it, and the lights will be turns to your favorite color. Yeah. And we also have the timer here. The timer, you can set the timer to turn on. You can, oh sorry, I changed the light color because it's keep changing. Okay. In the timer function, you can set the timer to turn on or turn off your lights in a specific time, in the specific effect.
That's very cool. We could create our own color, and we could also set the timer so that we can maybe set about 30 minutes, and then it's turned off automatically.
Yeah.
That's very nice. So that's the ring fixture that connects the phone by Bluetooth.
Yeah, it is connected by Bluetooth, and we have the other one control by Wi-Fi. We just connect to Wi-Fi. Then you can remote control your lights. For example, when you are at home, you want to control your lights in the office. You just need to connect to Wi-Fi, then it works. I will show you another Wi-Fi products. Here,
yeah, please.
Small line here, small line. I will show you our package.
That's very cool. So when you connect to Wi-Fi, even though wasn't at home, we were outside, we could still use our phone to control the lamps at our home.
Yes. And this is our product line. We have products that with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth chips on the board, so you can control both with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. That means if you don't have Wi-Fi function, you just connect to your phone Bluetooth. You can also control it. Here we have our phone line. The package is very. This is for the. The Amazon sells this package. This package is we designed for it. The overseas sales. We have the remote control here and the power source and the light here. Yeah, this is our package, and I would like to show you our app to see how does it works with the apps.
Thank you. Thank you. Your package is very compact and with such tall floor length and could pack in small boxes. So the client could buy in the Amazon or wherever to save the freight cost.
Yes, we designed the package for the Amazon or this is the floor line here. And we have also the RGB and CCP colors. So we can use it at home for the background color change. Just like if you have a TV set, so you just put it near your TV, then you will change colors based on the TV screen. You just need to point your camera to the TV set, then the light color will change based on your TV screen. So this is our Magic Home Pro for the Wi-Fi items. Magic Home Pro is a famous brand in the Euro and US markets because we had created this app on maybe 2014. It's about 8 or 9 years. So many people know Magic Home Pro in the US and the European market.
That's very famous.
And this is our floor lights. Yeah, the app is you have the color range here, and you just change the colors and the brightness and the warm white, cool white, and you can control the CCT color separately in this page. Change the brightness. There are preset modes here, and we have 20 preset modes here. For you to change to choose the different colors modes. And also you can make your DIY colors. You can make your DIY colors here. And your music function is almost the same as that one I just showed you with the color functions. And this is a microphone function. When I'm talking, and the color is keep changing. And this is called the music mode. Is the same to select
The music mode function could use for party, like home party. We could use that.
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
The music mode function that we could use for home party.
Oh yeah. That's very good for home party, I think. Yeah. And we have the cinema function. This is the function I talked just now. We can use when you are watching movies or TVs to create the background with the colors on your TV screen. And you just needed to point your camera to the TV screen, then the color will keep change. Yeah, that makes the whole environment
changing
with that color. And we also have the camera function. Camera function is for example, I just my background color is white. I just put it there. I just pointed my camera to the white color or other different colors. The light color will change based on the camera color it captures.
That's very cool.
And we also have our you see the Christmas light on the flower stand. Yeah, and the app is totally the same with the same app, but the app UI is totally different with the one I just showed you because we have different UI for different products. So this is for the Christmas lights.
Okay, so due to the time limit, we might need to expedite our presentation. Because the next company is waiting.
We almost finished.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So this is the second product you want to show us today. So one is the ring light, and the other is the floor lamp. The floor lamp both one is able to control by S, and is with the multiple function.
Yeah,
that's very great, and it could be used for home party, and also could have the similar function and Christmas function. Also could use as a wedding lamp. So it's very like how to say, I could buy one lamp and I can use for multiple area. That's great. It's very worth of the money.
Yeah. And you can also group control your different lights to turn on or turn off or change color for your whole home lighting systems. Yeah, we also have the smart sockets, the switches, and that's all for the home lighting system.
Yeah, I think the client can't wait to get your number to contact you. So can you tell us your number, please?
My number, right?
Yeah.
Can I just type it in on the screen, or I speak it out?
Both way will work.
Okay. My phone number is 1-888-230-1070.
So I will repeat for Zengge. Zengge's number is 0086-188-2308-1070.
Yeah.
So I forgot to ask your name. May I know your name, please?
My name is Emma. EMMA. Emma.
Emma, nice to meet you, Emma. So
nice to meet you.
We really want to know more about it, but next our company is waiting. So can we see you next time and you bring us more brilliant product?
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Emma.
Thank you. See ya.
See you next time.